guys, welcome back to my channel Charlajan. So today I made my second version of the gaming wheel. So this is the version 2. I said in my last video that I'll build one. Actually I forgot to show the tutorial. I started creating it and realized that I forgot to shoot the video. So I kept it like that. I thought I'll explain it to you. I'm sorry. I did so this is my version 2. So this is actually a paint can.
Here you can see over here, I cut out this only about this whole outline part. This whole thing I threw in dust.
So that's a paint can. Now for the cushion, actually I took what is a thread. I took the thread and actually wrapped it all over here. Just woolen thread, the small one, the bit thick, and I made it like a base cushion all over here. Then I took this kind of waistcloth, waistcloths, and actually I kept it over here and I wrapped it all over this to give that a bit more cushion. You don't want to be holding plastic that I didn't sand. I didn't sand it all. To cut the plastic, I just used a knife, made it hot, and I just cut those. Then what I did is actually I took this. After this, I put one more layer over here, one more layer of cloth over here to give some more cushioning. Because we are holding over here, I want some more. Well, these parts I didn't concentrate that much. Then I took this duct tape, not duct tape, like packaging tape, and I covered it. So that's why you can see this not like coming out fully. It's already compressed due to that tape. And well, after that, you could see my last video. So I had this yellow color pads. So I used this for cushioning last time. So same thing. Actually, I don't know what is this, but anything cushioning is okay. So I stuck this to this to create like a cushion pad. So that's what I did over here. Then I connected this wheel to these parts by PVC. I didn't create these two parts and just fix this. Actually, I just built this one first, and you can see at the back side. These are two PVC pipes connected to this wheel. This wheel already has ball bearing inside. You can see this. It's old toy, some children's toy wheel. You can see over here, it's a ball bearings are there. So I connected this rod to this part which won't turn, and the whole steering wheel to this whole wheel. I fixed it by just 50 rupees Fevic something. Super cool. Then I put two cardboard pieces over here to cover the PVC. I don't want to see that much PVC. And I kept this one because it looks kind of nice only for me. I didn't bother that much. Then I fixed the cardboard one, it's just flat cardboard. Then build these two sides cardboard piece over here, then one over here. Then I fit two pins with some same cushion thing so that the phone stays level and it's bit cushioned. So this centimeter, let's say about, I think this diagonal is 16.5. You can see over here, these kind of phones like Redmi, all those phones fit perfectly. I built it for that kind of model, see, you can fit that directly. For if you have smaller phones, you can like build this. I'm using a smaller phone, so that won't fit. So what did I do is, you can also build that 16.5 centimeter diagonal is the normally for most of the phones. So use these kind of sponges so that it stays for small phones. I couldn't build a adjustable one, maybe in version 3. Then I took black color insulation tape and fully cover this, and took red insulation tape to design like decorate it. So these parts are actually folded cardboard. Actually, if you take one cardboard and fold it, let's say, let's take this card itself. So what I did is I made like this, fold it and stuck this part like this. So now even if I kept this, because already there's a spring, it will come back. If one of them was actually a bit weak, so I actually put bit Fevikwik in it to make it more stiff. I regret it. Then here you could see this is actually the exposed wire. They're like copper wire running over here, and they're bottom of this. Let's see. You could see over here. So there's wire over here and connecting over here. Here there's actually a spring. There's actually a spring connected to an aluminium foil, piece of aluminium foil. So the wire is connected to the spring, so that even if it hits a bit too hard, it won't damage the screen that much. And I put a piece of tissue because aluminium foil isn't that responsive. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it won't work. You need it that close. What I do is sometimes I just put some water to damp it to conduct electricity, because otherwise it won't work. For 5 to 6 minutes, you just put some water, dampen it, and then you should touch this aluminium pad with this wire, so that this resistance is measured by a finger. If you just touch here and work, it won't work. You have to press correctly over here. So I built it in such a way that when I am driving, actually I can press this while this one go like this. So you can see over here I put a bit of insulation tape to make this tight so it doesn't wiggle off. Okay. Then the ball bearing, actually oiled it, one drop of oil. Oil makes things better. Then I think that's it. So actually one of them, if this is like a whole piece of small cardboard, so I cut them like this, actually wrapped it in tape. So you can see here to one of, if your this one is bent, it got bent or not stiff, actually you can stick a piece of wire or stick to make it more stiff at the back side, so no one will actually notice it, because you're touching only this part, not this one. So I think that's it. If you want to know any more, you can put in the comment section, or you want to see a new one, you can actually put in the comment section. Extremely sorry I couldn't make tutorial video. And actually one more thing is there. So this part over here, not only this is removable, I actually use my old steering wheel as the base, and actually put a the cardboard box. Last time I used, this time I used like a base. So this is the new cardboard box. So you can see inside this there are two pieces of stones, granite, to actually balance this. If you don't have enough weight, this whole thing will topple over. I made this for like travel purpose, so you can remove it. I can just give it this back. You can make it a one piece cardboard actually. I didn't plan that much. You can customize in any way. I love insulation tape. Actually, total cost of this was 20 rupees red one, 20 rupees to 40, 40, 60. So let's see, the PVC was free, the paint can was free, the insulation tape together was 40 rupees, aluminium foil was free, while these all stuff were free. Almost everything is free except the gum, the Fevikwik, and yeah, Fevikwik 50 rupees. Super good. So, so let's get into the most exciting part. I'll test it. This time I'll be actually playing Asphalt 8. I'm now grounded. So I built this and I got permission. So let's test. Let's start. So before that, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. So let's start.